morning everyone, my name is Daksh and I study in 7th standard. Today I am very happy that you all are present here and I am going to be telling you all my success story from where I was and now from where I am. At the starting, in the older times, I couldn't speak to people, I couldn't approach them. When I used to approach them, I was full of nervousness. I used to think, what would they think about me? They would judge me badly, they would laugh on me. So that's why I was held in a cage. Like I couldn't speak to people. That's why the nervousness. I couldn't speak in front of anyone in any communication related activities. One time I participated in an activity. There was an assembly practice going on. I thought I should participate in the speech part and I thought I would do it. But sadly, seeing my performance, my teacher also said that, Daksh, your performance is very bad. I think English is not the cup of tea. And I felt very embarrassed that day. I thought, why can't I do it? Everyone in my class is a brilliant communicator. But why not me? These were the challenges that I used to face at starting. But then one day, my tuition teacher recommended me an English coaching. I thought it was a great chance to improve my English and put an end to all these challenges. So I said yes and got enrolled in the coaching. There I met Reshma ma'am. She helped me a lot throughout this journey. At the initial days, I was still not the best, but I started taking more participation in the group discussions. Every Friday there was an appreciation story, and there wasn't a single Friday that I didn't tell my appreciation story. I put in a lot of hard work in my journey from where I was, not speaking to in front of anybody, full of nervousness. Now where I am, speaking on anything. If someone says to me that Daksh, you have to speak on this, I can go and speak in front of the stage without any fear. Reshma ma'am helped me to get out of all these challenges. She made learning from extremely boring to extremely fun by showing different slides, and we had many events like birthdays, and because of them we also made many memorable moments. And this journey with my peers and Reshma ma'am has been very great. There was also a buddy competition in which my buddy was Raj. There was we at the end of the month there were two teams, Anushri and Jeevika, me and Raj. And there was a tie because me and Raj and Anushri and Jeevika, my all peers and me did so great. And me and my buddy Raj learned so many things. I also helped him and I also learned many things. In the 1 month of time, we grew a lot together. And at the last, the teams tied because they were so great. Like the Anushri and Jeevika team and me and Raj team were so great. And I made many memorable moments here which I will not forget for the rest of my life. And all my peers helped me, and Reshma ma'am helped me, and all of my hard work because of where I am now. So I have been very delighted that I am here. When I look back into the past, कि मैं कहाँ था और मैं कहाँ आ चुका हूँ. Now I can speak मैं आप सबके आगे बोल रहा हूँ. वरना मैं अभी खड़ा भी नहीं होता. It was so challenge for me because मेरे अंदर स्किल थी नहीं. मैं सोचता था English wasn't made for me. But look where I am now and बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं किसी सामने बोल सकता हूँ. और ये जर्नी, ये मेरे peers, रेशमा मैम, मैं सब बहुत डिलाइटेड हो गए. और ये जर्नी में मैंने बहुत सारे बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किए, उसमें बहुत सारे गेम्स खेले जिनमें से मैं बहुत सारे जीता भी. सो ये बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत खुशी होती है क्योंकि इवन इन द अदर कोचिंग्स, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ यार ये कंसिस्टेंट के एक जगह वर्क ही करते रहो बस, और कुछ करो मत. बस जैसे हम वेदिक में कहते हैं वहाँ पे बस पेजेस करते रहो. बट यहाँ पर अलग है क्योंकि वो फन है बहुत, और यहाँ पर मतलब बहुत मेमोरेबल मोमेंट बना रहा हूँ मैं. और मेरी सक्सेस स्टोरी ये थी. और अगर आपको भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन स्पीकिंग एंड यू कैन जॉइन दिस कोर्स, एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेट. और अगर इसमें मुझे हेल्प करते हैं इतना आगे आने में, सो इट कैन हेल्प यू you can also make many memorable moments, many friends, and the moments that you will remember for the rest of your life. Like here, and this coaching is absolutely great. So this is my refer.